Hi, so I decided to record the filming of this Crochet subscription box because I tried to look for videos of previous boxes and there was only one other one that was the Christmas edition, and I just wanted to know what was inside these and curious because they cost around 15 to the nearest pound, £15 in UK money. So I thought I'd show you what's in the March edition. So it gets sent quite promptly through Royal Mail. There you go. So as you open it, you can see there's not actually a nice gift box on the website. It does look like it's a lovely gift box contained, but this is how my March one came. So let's have a look at this. So welcome to your subscription box for March. This month you will receive a kit to make your very own Tink with capital K, the dragon using the vibrant Rikorumi double knitting. We would love to see your finished dragons, so please share them with us. Have tons of fun in the wool factory. So that's a nice little message there. You also get your invoice bill. Got some wool there as they promised. So 2, 4, 6 of one colour and one of the other. See these. So as I said, Rikorumi DK 100% cotton. Nice colour. And brown. And so it's got lots of stuffing in there. It's like approximately short of a 4 size bag of stuffing there. Okay. Some bits and pieces, and this looks like it's the pattern for Tink the Dragon, and it says it includes 6 balls of shade A, which it does, and 1 ball of shade B, a 4mm crochet hook, a stitch marker, which is that pink thing there, a tapestry needle, which I don't seem to have in that, so that's actually missing from in there. Not too much of a problem, but that's what they said it should come with. It hasn't, but it has come with some eyes here, which isn't listed. Anyway, so it uses a 4mm hook, double knitting, and there's lots of pages here. Lots of instructions. I'll give that a go at some point, but let's have a look. So they've supplied a picture of your finished make. Right, okay, so that's what it says it could look like, except my wool is more of a teal colour with brown, so it's not even those colours really. I'm not quite sure about the length or the designs on this. If you like it, yeah, happy to go ahead and do that, but I might tweak that and then show you what that looks like. But that is the March box for anybody who's interested in having a look and buying that from the wool factory there. Alright, so yeah, even that picture is a totally different colour to the printout and to what I have, so yeah, I might have a go at that, and if I do, please like and subscribe, and I'll post that one up later. Bye.